Let's see what the inside of a bullet looks like. Dave Asprey says he has developed bulletproof coffee for the cognitive effects and not weight loss. It can skip breakfast and reach ketosis. It fills your body without spiking insulin. I got a straight answer from the Illes Universidad del Café in Trieste. First, choose the single origin Arabica high quality coffee beans. I brew coffee with a mocha pot coffee maker. How to make it? Take 1 or 2 tablespoons of unsalted grass-fed butter. The butter is there to froth up nicely. Take 2 tablespoons of MCT oil. It absorbs rapidly into the bloodstream. If you suffer from indigestion, optimize the ratio of MCT and butter. Find coffee that won't butter your stomach. Remember, you're consuming over 400 calories worth of fat with little or no nutrition. How to improve it? Coca-Cola, Bacopa Monieri, sulbutamine have a beneficial effect on brain function in healthy people. Just half a teaspoon of cinnamon a day reduces blood sugar. If you're going to choose a natural form of sugar, it's better to choose something like tagatose or molasses. If you find yourself getting hungry too early, then use more butter. You can also drink protein shake upon waking and follow up by bulletproof coffee an hour later. Don't do both bulletproof coffee and breakfast as they have different goals.
Łapcie kod na olejence ze sklepu linku. Jest w opisie pod filmem.
Are you ready to change habits for better health? Start your day with 2 glasses of water to rehydrate your body. Put in 1 to 2 tablespoons of organic apple cider vinegar with a fresh lemon juice and warm water. Only quality apple cider vinegar contains dregs, what is known as the mother. Give up lemon juice in order to prevent enamel erosion. Take a 30-minute walk in the morning. You can eat a piece of dark chocolate bar with a high cocoa percentage while walking. Bulletproof coffee is a snack that actually tastes good, but if you don't know what a low-carb diet is, forget it. It's better to cut down on saturated fats. You should be taking certain supplements in the morning instead. Okay, thanks, and check useful links in the description.